Hi YouTube. Today it's a rainy day. We're in our shop. I got a mocked up piece now. As you can see, we have a broken slate situation. Right there, if you see, it's not so much the aesthetics of the broken slate, but if you look from this line I draw, there's roughly a 3-inch gap where all the water get into your house. You take a slate ripper, slide it up under, there'll be a nail on the left and right. We have the convenience of being able to see it now. Normally it's not exposed. If your slate ripper is nice and sharp, you can usually cut through it or hammer it out. Now that one's loose, go to the next one, repeat the process. One slate removed. Remove all debris underneath there. Get your new slate. Slide it up in place. I know, that slate's cut upside down. It happens sometimes. That's why I'm going to use this one. In between the two slate, you take a punch. That punches your hole. My camera's on the move. Then you take your nail, set your nail. You want it snug, but not too tight. You gotta let the slate move, a little bit of expansion, contraction. This is what I call a shim. It shims the water key. Slide that up under there. That's good, but I like to take a punch or my slate ripper, slide it up a little bit higher. There you go. Any bit of water that slides in there.